Hello, this is Jeremy from 3D Infotech with another neat trick for you. In this project, I already have a color map, some measurement objects, a report, and a measurement sequence for my operator to follow. So this project is already prepared for my operator to press New Piece. Let me go ahead and press New Piece and say I'm inspecting serial number 2. Let me specify my second scan. And you'll see that my measurement sequence automatically completed the inspection for me. But what it did not do was open the report and export the report to a PDF. So wouldn't it be nice if that export step were part of my automated sequence? Well, PolyWorks does allow you to include macro scripts within your sequence editor. So let me go ahead and add a macro, and let me go ahead and import my export PDF report macro. So now you'll see this is the final step within my sequence. Of course, I could add it anywhere else in my sequence depending on the nature of your inspection. But now, let me move this to the side. Let me press New Piece. We're now inspecting number 3. And, and as PolyWorks inspects my part, you'll see I'm now at that executing macro step, which automatically created my PDF report. So that's just one example of how I could insert a macro within my sequence editor. Thank you for watching.